So we finished redoing the painting, redoing the kitchen, all the cabinet doors, inside of the closets, new stove. We still need to get a new fridge, new faucet. Painted everything white. It looks a lot better. And we stained the floor. Just laid OSB down and stained the floor. Basically made it mouse proof. Hot water tank didn't work, so we put a new hot water tank in. Painted the bathroom, new toilet. Ripped out this little pony wall here and covered in the breaker box. So yeah, we've done a lot of work here just to get the place livable. But it's pretty close to being livable now, so we still haven't tried. I plugged in the dryer and it shorted out something and sparked and blew smoke out, so I'm pretty sure it's fried, and we haven't really tried the washer yet, so we'll probably need to get new washer and dryer. And obviously the tub needs to be done. The valves leak everywhere, so the whole valve has to be redone, and maybe the tub drain too. I haven't tried if it leaks or not. So yeah, it's a completely new place.